Are you struggling to understand what your teacher is talking about? Or feeling overwhelmed by the number of readings and assignments in nursing school? Then you've come to the right place. Welcome to the NurseKillam channel, where I explain complex concepts in an easy to understand way. Videos come complete with tips to help you remember exactly what you need to know in a fraction of the time. I started this YouTube channel because as a nursing professor, I have seen too many students that are awesome at the bedside struggle in the classroom. Lost marks over things like APA format cause some of these students to fail and even need to repeat the year. Sadly, some of them were giving up on nursing because it cost too much money to repeat the year. The worst part was that it wasn't their fault they were failing. These students were trying so hard to understand and learn information that just wasn't clearly explained. Don't let this happen to you. Let me help you. I make videos by request and post them on Thursdays. So subscribe. Together we can make it so you are not only passing nursing, but acing it and loving it. All you need to do is subscribe and keep coming back to watch and comment on videos.